slow. This is Teacher Angel, and now we're gonna tackle about a call for Filipino patriotism. So, what is patriotism? It means supporting and loving our country even when it's going through rough or difficult times. You still love our country even when things are not as you desire or you would like. Devotion to our country means standing with it no matter what and working to make it better. Oh, so what is human rights? What are human rights? Human rights are the fundamental freedom and protection that belong to every single one of us, regardless of race, gender, sexuality, religion, or beliefs. Rights are about being treated and treating others fairly, ensuring everyone can make choices about their own lives. We're about justice, freedom, equality. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. The very fact that you are a human being grants you these rights. Your life is your life, and it cannot be unjustly taken from you just because some people don't like you. Education to human rights. So, as we future educators, as we are part of the school, we have the responsibility to educate the future next generation that we are going to teach, especially kanang mga primary grades or the elementary students nga atong pagtuluan in the future. So, we need to tackle about the human rights and how it works. So, kanang by simply no, ato lang silang ipa-stand in a line, dayon kanang magulat sila sa ilang turn, kay kanang nag-line lang sila kay first come first serve. So, they need to learn patience. So, keeping promises. So, kanang dapat mo keep ka sa mong promise. Like, for example, nag-promise ka nga you don't need or kanang dili na ka mag-lie. So, you need to keep your promise. Yun, kay para kanang imo ang kuan pod, imong mga friends ka nag-keep sa imong promise is mo keep pod sila. So, returning a debt in time. So, for example, mag-borrow ka og ballpen sa imo ang kuan, sa imong classmate or mag-borrow ka pencil sa imong classmate or eraser ba ka ha, you are kanang obligated yun nga iuli nimo ang ilaang pencil or ballpen. So, karon ang next po niya is helping the injured or sick. So, for example, imong amigo is nadagma siya. So, unsa man imo katawan or imo tabangan. So, dapat imo jud nang tabangan, dili nimo katawan. Diba? Dayon, keeping the public places clean. So, as a kid pa lang, kay ato silang tuduan, no? Mga bata pa lang sila nga kanang kung makakita sila mga basura sa dalan, kay pamonito na lang nila. Or by simply, kung ano na nato, ipa-implement nato sila sa kung bitaw, like kanang kada end of classes, kay ato silang ipapunit bitaw og mga basura, kanang naa sa ilaang tungod, sa ilang mga chairs, like na. Dayon, not kanang dili nato sila tuduan nga kanang mangawat og kanang laing laing sa laing silang, for example, sila mga classmates, dili nato sila tuduan nga kanang magkuan like ilang pagtaguan ng mga gamit silang mga classmates kay dili man na maayo. It is a kuan na lang, like mura na siya o kuan imo na gikawat bitaw og ilaa bitaw ang mga gamit. So they have the right man pud to kuan to keep their things kay ilaa man na. So, sharing experiences from one another in every situation. So, dapat ato yung ipa-experience sila kay experience is the best lesson they can have man pod. So, by experiencing these things, bahalag, unsa na sila ka-simple, in the future, ilan ang madala as the bigger impact in their life. Kaya kanang ilang natun-an, bata pa lang sila. That's all.